Greetings everybody and welcome back to the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the aerial view of my white brand model 568, the machine that was acting as if it were haunted. I wanted to show you all, I had mentioned to you all that it's not unusual to find dust or grime or filth on top of these little boxes. They're called dual block, I say boxes, dual block electrical outlet housing. So what I would suggest to you, I have vacuumed out this little box. There's still some staining down there from a lifetime, couple of generations of filth. What I was going to tell you is that if you decide to clean this dust, vacuum first. Get everything that you can vacuumed off, okay? And then I've just got this old stitch sample I'm using as a rag. It's made of cotton, and I'm dipping it in 99% isopropyl alcohol. And I'm basically going to essentially just get some of that filth off of there. This would be the sticky stuff, right? And that's what I'm doing. Do not use water or any kind of liquid cleaners or detergents. First of all, you don't need it. And 99% isopropyl alcohol will evaporate very quickly. And so, give it an hour just for the heck of it. And then it should be okay because it's a very very active solvent, so it doesn't stay liquid for long. And you know this if you've ever taken 99% rubbing alcohol. It doesn't take long for it to evaporate, and that's what we want in this case. And so there we have it. And so when I go back now, after I let this dry, I will go and simply get these plugs put back in their respective places. And again, I know to look for. Some people they'll actually mark. They'll put, they'll take I don't know, nail polish or something, put an M here and an L here. But again, all you need really is just to shine a light sideways. When the light grazes, you can easily see those letters. They're not hard to see once you... And by the way, if the block wiggles a little bit, it just may need a slight bit of snugging down. It's been tugged at some point in its life with a screwdriver, but don't push too hard because you'll crack the block, and you don't need to do that. So, in case anyone was wondering, that is how you clean your block, and this is not something you should normally have to do. Again, just, you may want to vacuum it occasionally, but, if you're a relatively neat sewer and you cover your machine with a case cover when you're done, you may not need to do it at all. I just wanted to show you all what I was going to do. I wasn't going to leave it covered in filth for the new owner. And anyway, that is... I believe concludes my lectures and sermons on dual block wires and how when they get crossed, strange things can happen. So thank you all again for watching and supporting this channel, and I'll see you all next time.